Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everybody, how are you today? That's great. My name is Vinny Vici. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. Please see our website at hellobabyenglish.com. We also have a YouTube channel and a Telegram channel. They are called Hello Baby English. Okay, it is game time. Today we're doing verbs. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. In today's game, words number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9 have one more meaning in our program. Words number 6 and 7 have 2 more meanings in our program. But we're only doing verbs in this game. Let's begin. Number 1. Bob is his hair because he wants to look good. He's using one of these. Bob is, can you pronounce it? Combing. We don't pronounce the B. The basic form is to comb your hair. If the new baby is a girl, they will her Jennifer. They will name her Jennifer. The basic form is to name a baby Jennifer or to name a baby Bob. After Jennifer gets the email, she will it to Bob, similar to send. She will forward it to Bob. To forward an email to somebody. She wasn't serious. She was just... And one of the missing letters is a K. She was just joking. The basic form is to joke, but we use it like this in the ing form very much. This hotel always tries to the guests. It means they try to make the guests happy. They always try to please the guests. Jennifer never had a brother, but she always, for one. This means she always wanted one. She always longed for one. To long for something is very similar to want something. Please check your dictionary. Last year they made $100,000. But then they had to pay taxes and expenses. After taxes and expenses, they netted $65,000. When the students finish their tests, they will, similar to give, they will submit them to the teacher. He's a professional fighter. He's been for 20 years. And one of the letters is an X. He's been boxing for 20 years. The traffic's not moving. Many drivers are honking. Bye-bye.